Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Mingw w64 on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go ahead and open up your browser, and on Google, just search download Mingw w64. Then just go to the first website from SourceForge. Just wait for the website to load and then just click on download. Then just wait, the download will start for you shortly. And after the download has been completed, you'll see a open file button. Just click on it. You can minimize your browser from here. Then just click on install. Choose where you want to install it and click on continue. Then just wait. It will download the necessary resources for your files and then install the software for you. And after it has been completed, you just need to click on continue. Then this will come up. From here, select everything that you need to install. For example, I just need GCC and G++. I'll right click on it and click on mark for installation. Then I'll click on install and click on apply changes. Click on apply. Then just wait, it will connect and download more files and install it for you. And after it has been installed, just click on close and close this as well. Now you need to set a path. To set it, just open up your file explorer. Then just go to this PC. You can maximize this and go to local disk C. From here, go to Mingw w and bin. Then just copy this file location. And after copying it, just close this. Go to search and type environmental variables and open it. And here, click on environmental variables. And under system variables, click on path, click on edit. Here, click on new and paste the file location you just copied and hit enter. Then hit OK. Then hit OK again and OK one last time. Then just to verify our installation, just go to CMD. Just open up CMD and in here type G++ hyphen version. And there you go. Our Mingw w has been installed. And basically that is how to download and install Mingw w on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.